Hello everyone, this is Anshika Gupta. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are really doing well and thank you so much for all your love and support. So guys, as you know, in my previous video we just learnt about many things like fashion croquis, flat sketch garment, fashion figures, everything. Now in this video I am gonna tell you about how I practice it daily, or how we can practice it daily basis, how you can make different garments, how you can make different fashion figures. If you haven't saw my previous videos which are basics of fashion, so you can visit to my page and you can watch that videos. So guys, first of all we should know what is the difference between a flat sketch garments and a fashion figure garments, means fashion illustration. Rather I told this in my previous videos, but I am just want to convey it once more. So flat sketch garments doesn't include any dimensions, doesn't include any fashion figures, they don't have plenty of details, it is just an overview of a garment. And the fashion figure garments, or we can say the fashion illustrations, they include plenty of details, different angles, different dimensions, in which your garment can look beautiful at its best. They have plenty of angles, colors, detailings on the surface of the garment. They are quite attractive also, but making fashion illustration takes quite more time comparison to flat sketch garments. But in this video I am going to show you how to make flat sketch garments and how we can practice fashion illustrations on daily basis, so that we can improve our speed to make illustrations. So guys, making flat sketch garments doesn't need dozens of things, it only need quite basic materials and the idea of the design, the detailing you want to convey to the others. So guys, let's see how we can make flat sketch garments, different flat sketch garments in just few minutes. So guys, here is a flat sketch garment. I am gonna show you what details we can mention it flat sketch garment. Flat sketch garment doesn't have any fashion figures or any hairstyles, any styling, accessories, nothing. Fashion garments only you can show by flat sketches without any dimensions, any angles. So what you can use are pencil, any of the pencils. I am using a drawing pencil of 5B so that I can have a very heavy outline. You can have colors also. I am having Staedtlers. These Staedtlers are best colors for fashion. A scale, if you don't want to show gatherings, then you can use scale, eraser and sharpener. So guys, let's go with our flat sketch garment. Here I just made a ball gown, a very simple ball gown. You can outline it straight and make little bit of details. Quite cool dummy sort of structure. Here is the floor. You can just show little bit of gatherings like this. If you want to use color, you can use colors also, if you want to convey which color you want to include in your garment. But flat sketch garments usually don't have plenty of details, as I have already told you before. But yeah, if you are just working and you want to make plenty of illustrations on daily basis just to convey your ideas, you can just use this technique. And to make fashion illustrations, you first practice flat sketch garments so that you can know and you can have an idea about in which angle your garment will look perfect and beautiful. If you want to make any details, you can make like this burst, if you can mention darts over here. If you want to mention writing details you can mention, like ball gown, up to the floor, deep neck. If your design is having any special back designs also, then you can make the same flat sketch garments from back also. So guys, this is a flat sketch garment. Now let me show you fashion illustration, and this is a simple fashion illustrations. So as you can see the difference between flat sketch garment and a fashion figure or a fashion illustration. Fashion illustration includes hairstyles, sometimes accessories also, like I have just given a proper belt over here. I know that this gown will look in this posture, so I just made this model like this. You can have your initials on your designs always. I just have this. You can make faces also. I usually don't create face in my illustrations, that my taste, but you can also add your taste to it. A hairstyle, cool bun, the upper portion of the garment detailing the downer portion of the garment. So this is the difference between flat sketch and a fashion figure. To make fashion figures, you should practice flat sketches, and to practice fashion figures you can also use real pictures of different human beings. You can see how attractive garment they are wearing, from which angle that garment will look good. Hope you got this difference. And for practicing fashion illustrations, what you can do is that you can first practice flat sketch garments. Practicing flat sketch garments will make you to think and visualize in which manner your garment will look perfect. There are plenty of angles in which you can show your garment, but having the proper angle of your garment can make your garment more beautiful. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys liked it. So don't forget to press on thumbs up, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And so far in my next videos there will be plenty of details about fashion. Guys, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram link is in the description. Your suggestions, comments, your questions, you can drop them in the comments right below. Guys, stay safe, stay home and enjoy.